In this video, you will learn how to publish HTML content item and also how to make them accessible on different surfaces. In order for the content to be read on various surfaces, it must be published. When you are ready to release it, hit the Release Publish button. Then you will see that the release date appears in the first released field. If you or others make changes to the content, the time when the changes were made will appear in the last released updated field. There are two ways to make content items accessible. The first one is by adding tags. To use this method, place your mouse cursor in the Tags field on the Settings tab. Based on what you have access to, a list of surfaces like public screen, blog article, website, etc. opens, and let you choose where to publish the content to. As for the second method, you can place content items in content manuals. A manual could, for example, be user documentation, a handbook, or a guideline. For example, if the content you write is to become part of the O365 User documentation, the procedure will be as follows. Open Content Manuals. Select O365 User documentation. Select section Documents. In the content item grid, select an empty row in the Content ID column. A box opens where you can choose which content item to add. Content will now be published in O365 User documentation documents. You've just seen how to publish a HTML content item and also how to make them accessible on different surfaces. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.